5 series. It's an absolute monster. It's getting more and more done to it now. So we're gonna show what it used to be like in Monster, and then we're gonna document his build because he's doing something special with it. So head there now, get a little few bits and pieces recording what's being done. We're not going to say what's getting done because it's a little bit it's a surprise for everyone. He's excited to show the build. Speaking to him about stuff we can do with the Fiesta as well. I haven't got my GoPro, so it's going to be filmed on my phone, but that's still sound. But just a quick little video. I like doing stuff like this. I want to do a little vlog. So yeah, we're at Teddy's now.
I will give you away the size of the turbo. So that's the inlet for the turbo.
Oh wow! What, so people can know this? People can know the size of the turbo?
This one, yes. The turbo, no.
No, I'm not showing you the turbo, but
no,
you're allowed
you
to
can
see
show
it. That is. Just to put in perspective, that's the size of my head.
The turbo will go where you want. So.
Yeah. There's a little hint for you. The size of that throttle body.
I will give you the name of the lad that supplied it. If you want to put on a video or something. He's a good lad. He's the one that supplied the turbo for the MR2.
Oh right, yeah.
He's a Scottish lad.
Right, so I can't show you the turbo, but I can guarantee it's bigger than my head. That's not a little snail, that's a big snail. That. Wow. That's what it sounds.
It's been ported. Like stupidly ported.
Is it taking the piss?
Like taking the piss. I already took 1.5 pints of shavings and I'm not even halfway through.
So the head's been ported, taking the piss ported. Oh yeah, this is going to be amazing. What a build.
All the clamps.
Just turbos everywhere. Like.
It's a bit messy.
Don't matter.
There's a few engines going on at the moment.
Teddy's toy room.
Yeah.
So is that an M5? No.
No, it was a 520D, but a 530D engine. It's gonna be standalone.
You see ones?
Yeah.
Standalone, big turbo. That's a big snail. That's some big boosties in there, isn't it? Little bit of a teaser. Little BMW. People out there know what that means. It means Teddy's got a little surprise in store.
Lock himself. I did everything to try to go until like 12s, 13s, 14s. So it should be alright if everything goes right. If it goes left, it goes spot on.
So that was just a quick introduction on Teddy's build. We are going to be doing a series on the E39 BMW because it's got some surprises in store, and it's going to blow some people's minds. Like, Teddy's a genius. Anyone that knows the Car Whisperer knows that Teddy is an absolute genius. So I'm very excited to see where this goes, what kind of stuff we can like do afterwards, sort of like race wars and like going to car meets. So there's a lot of content we can do regarding the Fiesta. It does need a map on. We're gonna have a look at that, see what we can do. I think I need an intercooler to go stage 2, so get an intercooler. I'm gonna buy a res because the exhaust is crazy loud and I want to hear some more turbo noises, and the back box is obviously bent, so I want a big fat jap cannon So there's that to do. There's more things coming on the Fiesta, but also we've got this on the to come as well. So just a quick one on Teddy's build, and I'm going to start the series off with Car Whisperer's E39 build, and then see how that goes from there. See you in the next one. Peace.